made before. It's so many pumps that people have brought in that have become defunct over time and are not able to be repaired. But people can make, kids could actually, kids from Rochester could have a hand and I'm just focusing on my area here. They could have a hand in actually showing people who live in Gonai, especially that there's right next to the beach water there where there's a lot of sand. They could make their own biofilters. So the idea is more like all Dr. O'Connor's ideas, and have kids give them all the charcoal things that you could easily find, and a fabric could be. There's research on sari to send water quality testing equipment across Africa and to Haiti, and it was just so easy. It's very user friendly, and it's definitely something that I want to be using as more of. And it's similar in a way, so much in a way to what we do here on Second Life, and just kind of bringing everybody together. But you actually are really interacting with people, and even though the images may be fuzzy, and you can actually look around and see how people are living, and that they're essentially the same as you, but they're just living under such different and difficult conditions sometimes. So I think it's just a great tool for kids to use, and I'm just going to be doing that. Unfortunately, I have to go too because I have to be at work by 10:30, so it's about a 20-minute commute. But I want to thank you for even giving me your time to listen to me today. Thank you.
Sandra,
if you have any questions too, please let me know.
Thank you, Sandra. And I'm going to send the link out when we get off. They just came in a little too late, and I can't get them uploaded right now. I'm having a little trouble. But Sandra has great ideas. I'm going to zip out. My system isn't staying too stable right now, but I want to thank all of you. Don't forget, we have the space, I think, till the end of the month. Bring your kids in. Don't forget, if you go over to the fenced-in area, you can pull a go-kart out of your inventory, and you can drive it all around. So act like a kid. Have some fun. And I will get that out. Thank you all very much. It's been a wonderful semester, crazy as it's been with weather and everything. But I will send you some more slides, and I will turn these into YouTubes and send them out. But I am going to be back in touch with you about these ideas, and hopefully we'll have some speakers in the spring, and I'll invite you to get some of the speakers that you want. So thank you, everybody. Listen, have a great holiday too, and I'll be getting out all the rest of the grades and videos, but I just want to thank you for our last face-to-face. Bye, everybody.